some fat. Mix it, knead it.
So in a large bowl, I have a 1 1/4 cup of yellow cornmeal. Supposed to have been coarse, but that's all I got. 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. To this, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon and a half of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, and 5 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to mix this together, whisk this together real quick, get it good and mixed. So in another bowl, a medium-sized bowl, we're going to add 1 egg. We're going to add 1 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. I'm using just plain Greek yogurt. And 5 tablespoons of butter that has been melted and cooled. And we're going to stir and mix this up. The butter wasn't really cooled a whole lot, but it'll work. Now, in our bowl with the cornmeal mixture, we're going to make a well. We're going to add our yogurt mixture to this and mix this all together. And I do have my oven preheating at 400 degrees, and I do have my muffin tin ready. I had some cranberry blueberry juice the other day. I thought I was coming down with a kidney infection or whatever. So I'm going to use these cranberries, these berries, the blueberries and the cranberries that I put in my juice. And I'm going to put them on top instead of the cranberry sauce. I thought that would be really, really good. This is called cranberry corn muffins. That is the name of the recipe. So you know the drill. I'm going to put some of these on top. Then we're going to put more of the cornmeal mixture, the batter, on top of the berries. So now I got all my berries on top. Kind of try to divide it amongst the muffins. Now we're going to go and add more of our cornmeal mixture on top. Now we bake these for 20 minutes. This is set at 400 degrees. So there we go.